Welcome to College of the Canyons. In this video, we'll be conducting an overview of how to apply. To begin with, you're going to need a couple of items: a personal email address, your social security number if you have one, and an address that you can be reached at. To start the process, navigate to the College of the Canyons homepage at canyons.edu. Midway down the page, you'll notice a yellow Apply button. Select that. Then, on the application page, select the type of student you are to get started. In this case, we are going to select New Incoming Student. Then, select New Student Checklist. Inside the New Student Checklist, you'll find all the steps you need to complete in order to start your classes. To begin with, select Application. Then select CCC Apply. That's going to allow you to apply to the California Community College system, and then specifically to College of the Canyons. If you don't already have an account, select Create an Account. Or if you already have an account with the California Community Colleges, select Sign In. Once you've created your account, sign in. Once inside CCC Apply, go ahead and select Start a New Application. Once you begin your application, you'll want to use the drop-down menus to select the term you're applying for and any of the other prompts. Then, click Continue or Save if you'd like to come back later. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that all of the various sections you need to complete are listed. When you finish a section, a check mark will appear. In this example, notice we've completed the enrollment section, as indicated by the check mark. Finish all of the sections listed before making your submission. This will ensure that College of the Canyons receives an accurate application for you. If you have questions about this process and need to reach us, please email welcomecenter@canyons.edu. This concludes the overview of the application process. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.